everybody, it's Braden here with the T-Storm Chasers, just coming to you with a new weather video for today. Today is the 24th of October. It is a Friday, so happy Friday to you all. And we're just going to dive right in with our temperatures today for today's weather video. So overnight tonight into our Saturday morning here, 47 here in Sioux Falls, 39 in Aberdeen, 39 in Pierre, and 46 in Rapid City. Tomorrow, 57 here in Sioux Falls, 65 in Aberdeen, 70 in Pierre, and 76 in Rapid City. Getting into your Sunday morning here, 49 here in Sioux Falls, 48 in Aberdeen, 50 in Pierre, and 50 in Rapid City as well. Getting into your day here on Sunday, 62 in Sioux Falls, 63 in Aberdeen, 67 in Pierre, and 71 in Rapid City. Getting into your day on Monday, 42 here in Sioux Falls, 38 here over in Aberdeen, 39 in Pierre, and 36 in Rapid City. And during the day here on Monday, 56 here in Sioux Falls, 56 in Aberdeen, 59 in Pierre, and 59 in Rapid City. Precip over the next 48 hours, a few traces to 1/10 of an inch over near the Twin Cities area. Nothing much to speak of here in the South Dakota area. 48-hour snowfall, just traces over in Wyoming and Montana. Maximum wind gusts over the next 24 hours are looking a bit gusty, especially for the central part of the state here. It's pretty much the center part here, and then the eastern and western, far eastern and far western parts of the state look a little bit calmer. 30s and between 25 and 30 miles an hour expected over the next day or so. Our hazards we're looking at is a dense fog advisory for parts of south, central, and central Nebraska. Nothing else here in the South Dakota, North Dakota, Minnesota, and Iowa areas, just that dense fog advisory. Climate Prediction Center outlooks are looking still above average for the next 6 to 10 days. Getting into our 8 to 14 day outlook here, well above average for our 8 to 14 day temperature probability outlook. Days 6 through 10 for our precip outlook is not looking good. We are looking very much below average for pretty much all of our areas around the Sioux Falls area and points pretty much all around us. 8 to 14 day precip outlook looks a little bit better than our 6 to 10 day precip outlook, but still very much above or below average. Apologies for that. Now looking at our future track forecast, I have something peculiar to show you guys, but first we have to get through the first 24 to about 40 hours of this forecast first. So we could see a few showers develop overnight here near the Sioux Falls area, just to the east of the Sioux Falls area. Those will track off to the northeast and kind of just stick around for the morning hours around the Twin Cities area and point south. Those will start to fizzle out as we get later on into our day on Saturday. This is the 6 o'clock time frame, pretty much all clear out here, and we will move into our overnight here. This is the 6 a.m. time frame, just some light showers along the Missouri-Iowa border there. Getting into our Sunday, some possible showers out towards the west, but along comes this low pressure system. And now this is the 48-hour mark of our model run, so this will change over the next 2 days. But you see that blue in there, that is snow in the upper elevations. But as we move our way to the east here and that low starts to move in, heavier rain starts to settle in, and then also that snow starts to progress towards the east. Now possibly the northeastern or northwestern parts of South Dakota and the western parts of North Dakota could get in on some snow on Monday morning there. But I do have to put a little bit of salt on this here. We're going to run through our temperatures. We'll get to the time frame where we're looking at that low pressure system coming in. So this is about when it starts to settle in here, the midnight hour here on between Sunday and Monday, those temperatures start to drop, but they're still above that freezing mark right here around where we see that snow showers possible. But definitely up in the Black Hills, snow is very much possible, and I would not be surprised to see some accumulation out of this for the Black Hills area. So we'll run through our accumulations here. Now, the Black Hills looking at 2 to 3 inches, but this right here, this belt right here, I'm kind of skeptical about, just because of the temperature differential that we're seeing there between the future track forecast and our temperature model guidance as well. So we're going to have to keep watching this. This is possibility, but always shoot low when it comes to snow. So definitely, I'm not really thinking there's going to be 5 to 6 inches of snow on the ground there in southeastern Montana there on Monday at 6 in the morning. But definitely in the upper elevations, those totals probably will go towards that foot mark. I would not be surprised to see that in the upper elevations, but these lower kind of elevations, I'm not really expecting that. But as I said, we're going to have to watch how this plays out. That's everything about these winter events. You have to watch how they play out, and then you have to, that 12 to 18 hour out mark, that's when you have to actually forecast it like crazy, because then the model guidance becomes way clearer, and these models, they have a tough time predicting winter weather. They are getting way better, but they still have a difficult time doing it. But that is all I got for you guys today. I thank you guys for watching today's video, and then I thank RF Custom Construction for sponsoring today's video. Make sure to keep watching all the way through, watch the ad. It really helps us out. So thank you to them, and thank you to you. I will see you guys next week, and have a great rest of your night.
Everybody is looking for the perfect roof. You're only one call away. We're RF Custom Construction, and we've been transforming roofs in Sioux Falls since 2011. Our custom designs and quality craftsmanship redefine what a roof can be. And it's all about you, your style, your satisfaction. Ready to get started? Call us today at 605-366-9790. RF Custom Construction, custom designs, redefined.